this is PB Organic. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is PB Organics. It's a beautiful weather out here today, so today I decided to show you how I make organic pink lip balm. So if you like your lips to look so sumptuous and lumptious like mine, stay tuned, watch this video to the end to see how you could make pink lip balm at home. So guys, for this organic lip balm, I'm going to be needing 1 tablespoon of my wax. I'm going to be needing 2 medium-sized chopped beetroot. This beetroot is going to be blended. You can also grate beetroot to get the juice out. I just need the juice of this beetroot to make my organic lip balm. I'm also going to be adding in some drops of my vitamin E oil. You can also add vitamin E capsule into this mixture. I have here castor oil. I'm going to be adding in also some drops of castor oil into the mixture. Castor oil will help heal the lips. It will help to restore the lips naturally and help to moisturize your lips. So guys, I'll also be adding in olive oil. This olive oil I'll use to double boil my earwax. Olive oil is very good for the skin. In general, it helps to protect the skin and it helps to moisturize your skin. It will help to moisturize your lips and prevent it from damages. So guys, now I'm going to be adding in 2 tablespoons into my earwax and double boil. I'm going to sieve this and get the juice out. I'm going to try to get the juice out. I'm going to be using the juice of this beetroot. This is very good for the lips. Beetroot contains vitamin C, which will help to lighten your lips naturally. So get the juice out of this. I'm going to be mixing this in my earwax. Guys, this is my earwax and olive oil has already melted in. I'm going to be taking this out of the double boiler method. So guys, here I have my earwax and my olive oil double boiled. You could use coconut oil if you desire. You can also use shea butter as an alternative to melt your earwax. So if you're looking for an organic way to brighten your lips, this is the procedure to use. I'm going to allow my earwax to cool a little, then I'll be mixing all the mixtures in. I'm going to allow this has cooled a little bit before it forms back. I'm going to pour in my beetroot and I'll be mixing this in. Mix this in properly. So I'm mixing this in. This is very good for the lips. After scrubbing, you have to scrub for 3 days with your sugar scrub butter. After 3 days, you scrub with a brush. After 3 days, then you start applying your lip balm. you apply this mixture for a period of like 2 weeks, then you start to see a drastic change of your lips. Your lips will become so luscious, so pink, sweet and kissable. So mix this all in. So guys, I'm going to be putting in this my container. I already sterilized this container, washed, dried and sterilized. I'm reusing this container. This container has been used. So guys, I'm going to be turning this in there. So guys, for those of you asking how you can make your organic lip balm at home, this is a sure way of making your organic lip balm at home. It is a very healthy way of getting those pink luscious lips. So that's it guys, this is the final stage of a pink lip balm.
Purebliss, so natural, everything cool and it day natural, make your body fine and glow natural. Purebliss, very nice and so natural.